Mama, mama, mama. Are you helping mommy? Are you? So I have some tricks.
So, hasta la 12 feet. Every 3 feet, I could put him aicha, una. Si la 9, aicha. Si la 6. Si la 3. Si la 1. Nisso. Tramonte, no? Alta aicha, Adam, petu asta. Aicha. Adam, aicha. That's ya. Aicha. Aicha, go drop it. Si alta aicha.
And what do we plant on the next row?
Tomatoes. Right now, let's do the indeterminate tomatoes.
The next row also in the tomato.
Yeah, we can.
Hey. Okay, let's go.
Make sure you have a mark.
Okay, wait 1 second. This is tomato.
Yeah,
How
tomatoes.
about what goes with what is this? Lemon? Lemon balm. Does lemon balm go with
These are the same.
Alright, everyone, put them back.
Ada,
You gotta
wanna plant with me? Wait.
They say 2 to 3 feet for lemon balm.
You know how I did that? This one.
You want gloves? No?
This
It's on daddy's car. Go to daddy's car.
This is the pepper.
Okay, I'll go get the punch.
Okay.
Wow.
Are you sure these are Rutgers?
Yeah, the
They
pepper.
are? I'm doing good. Good job, y'all. Hey, put shoes on. What are you doing?
Do you like it?
You're
Look a bit hot.
for no reason.
So don't say that. No, but I'll put you. The shoes, those are get my.
Shall we punch it in a shot?
I'm gonna have lunch.
Wait a shot. Petu aicha. Sensitive. Shot. Bravo. Okay, got it. You see, you put a hole there. Akumaye, esta. Esta pesa colo. Try it. Without gloves, it's easier without gloves. Do 2 hands. Till you feel that it goes in.
We were planting in the greenhouse and we went at the lake. Frogs everywhere.
Adam, you want some fruit? Hi. You want some food too? You want some too?
Yeah, sit down, Simba. What? It's